Once upon a time, in a small town nestled in the rolling hills of the countryside, a group of kids stumbled upon a dusty old treasure map in their attic. The map was yellowed with age and adorned with intricate drawings of landmarks and hidden clues. Excitement bubbled within the group as they realized they had stumbled upon a mystery waiting to be solved. The kids, a ragtag bunch of misfits with a thirst for adventure, gathered around the map and began deciphering its cryptic symbols. They traced the winding paths and mysterious markings, piecing together the clues like a jigsaw puzzle. Each member of the group brought their own unique skills to the table, from keen observation to quick thinking, and together they made a formidable team. As they followed the map's directions, the kids found themselves embarking on a thrilling journey through the town and beyond. They navigated through dense forests, crossed rushing rivers, and climbed treacherous cliffs, all the while keeping their eyes peeled for the hidden treasure that awaited them. Along the way, they encountered obstacles and challenges that tested their courage and determination. But the kids were undeterred, fueled by the promise of untold riches and the thrill of the unknown. They laughed in the face of danger, their spirits buoyed by the camaraderie and friendship that bound them together. As they drew closer to their goal, the anticipation grew, each step bringing them closer to the ultimate prize. Finally, after days of relentless pursuit, the kids reached the final destination marked on the map. With trembling hands and hearts pounding with excitement, they dug beneath a towering oak tree and unearthed a chest filled with glittering jewels and precious artifacts. Their eyes widened in wonder as they beheld the dazzling treasure before them, a reward for their bravery and perseverance. As they basked in the glow of their newfound wealth, the kids realized that the true treasure was not the riches they had uncovered, but the bonds of friendship and the memories they had forged along the way. They knew that no amount of gold could compare to the joy of sharing this incredible adventure with their closest companions. And so, with hearts full and spirits soaring, the kids returned home, their pockets filled with treasure and their minds brimming with tales of their epic quest. They knew that they would forever be bound by the magic of that fateful day, a day when a dusty old map had led them on the adventure of a lifetime. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.